Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you experiencing an issue with the camera on your iPhone so you want to reset its settings? In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to do this. Let's go. Unfortunately, it is not possible to reset the camera settings without resetting the whole device. However, you don't have to worry. Doing this won't delete any of your data and media. To restore the default camera configurations, open the Settings. Go to General, scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Next, you will be asked to enter your passcode. Afterwards, hit Reset All Settings to confirm. According to Apple, this process will reset all settings including the network settings, keyboard dictionary, location settings, privacy settings, and Apple Pay cards, all of which will be removed or reset to their defaults. And as I've said, no data or media will be deleted. Other settings, such as your Apple Pay cards or Wi-Fi passwords, can be configured later. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.